Let's look at this case now, crowded case in an adult. You can see here, this is our initial setup, and our initial setup was 20 aligners total. So nothing groundbreaking in the way that this case was set up. You can see that the incisors in the front, we're going to tip them facially before we extrude them. And again, that's just to increase the predictability of those movements. In the lower, you can see we're intruding. We're making room to improve the smile arc as we bring those anteriors down. And in 20 stages total, that was our initial setup. So what happens after the initial setup? We're going to go ahead and look through this together. So again, you can see here, nothing earth-shattering. We're going through and we're doing a traditional setup, aligning the teeth. You can see that in our initial setup, we did add some slight overcorrections to the anteriors, right? They will typically need a small degree of overcorrection. It's hard to know exactly how much overcorrection they'll need. So we'll add a little bit and then we'll reevaluate later. So this is 5 months progress after he's worn those 20 aligners. Now, are we done yet? No, we're not done yet. But we can still predictably place force on these teeth, so we're going to do a chairside refinement. And before long, the attachments come off and we're ready to move on to bite settling aligners as needed. You can see the initial, you can see the final.